Good morning guys! For today's video, we're walking to crossing, to junction with Mari and Joy. We're gonna jump at the athletic pool. Update later. Bye! Welcome back guys! We are here at Burnham Park. We're gonna go Zumba. Char! No! We're going to athletic bowl. Update again later. Bye! Hi again guys! We just finished second lap. Walking, brisk walking, and jogging. This is our third lap. Hoping to lose some weight. Run, run! Lap 4. Naiwan na kami ni Mare. Joy is on her 4.5 lap. We're just on our 4th. Lap number 5. I left behind. Lap number 6. Lap number 6. Mari is there. Joy. Joy is 1 lap ahead. Lap lucky 7. Lucky 7. Lap 8. I don't know where Mari is. I don't know where Joy is. Joy is ahead. I think Mari is ahead. And I'm left behind. Lap 8. Lap 9. Lap 10. This is gonna be my last lap. For now, I'm gonna take a rest after this. Still early, so we might still go more laps. That concludes our 10 laps. Mare, I don't know how many laps she had. Nag-CR, ayan na naman si ating naiihi. Ilang laps ka, Mare?
Ilang laps ba kayo?
10, binila ko sa akin, 10 eh.
O baka na yun lang ako, sa bisap na ako. Hindi na maalala sa 5 lagi.
Hi guys! So after naming mag 10 laps sa athletic bowl, 5 kilometers, char. Maghahanap kami ng kainan. Dahil kami ay gutom. We'll update you with what we'll eat later. So, yun na nga. Ending. Kumain din kami. Pero healthy. And budget.